Today we have a 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set. That is your Amazon number for it, product number. Now these are in a little leather case. It's about 4 by 8, and they hang pretty good in there. These are put in and they're magnetic in there, so as you push it in, it catches. Here are regular screwdrivers for size. And this is pretty much perfect for fixing glasses. You just tighten up the screws in there. So this is a really nice little set. Let's see. Now we've got, there's 25 different ones. So let's look at them. Now this is a mini star. This looks sort of like think of an owl, like a little hole punch or something. This is a triangular. We've got 2 big flat heads, one a little bit bigger than the other. On this one, another flat head with a tiny flat head. A couple Phillips heads. This one might be like a hole punch. But I believe they're going to be mainly similar. They're stars. They're the ones that's always hard to find. And it looks like these are all stars. And every size you can imagine. So I do believe this would be just about every piece you would ever need for precision screwdrivers. Now I will leave more information in the description so you can get your own. And these are shipped at Amazon, and if you've got Prime shipping, it'll be free. And just follow me at www.outsidemylife.com to be updated with more products and some giveaways. Thank you for watching.